So the specific weight of a certain liquid is 85.3 pounds per cubic foot. Determine the density and specific gravity. So first of all, let's put this into our symbology so we can go specific weight is gamma is 85.3 pounds per cubic foot. So we want to find the density and the specific gravity. So let's get our equation here. Well, density is mass divided by volume. That doesn't really help us. Gamma is equal to density times gravity. Okay, that's going to help us because we've got our specific weight here. We know gravity. We can figure out what the density is. And then the last thing is specific gravity is going to be density divided by density of water at 4 degrees C. So the first thing we need to do is find the density. So let's just take this equation and rewrite it. Density is going to be the specific weight divided by gravity. We've got everything for that. We can solve that. 85.3 pounds per foot cubed. We're going to divide that by gravity. It's the English system, 32.2 feet per second squared. So let's take a look at the units there. And once again, we're going to fall back onto F equals ma. Because right now we have force, because we have that pound force. We're going to be trying to get mass out of it, because that's what we're expecting out of density. But what do we got? Pound force is a slug accelerated a foot per second squared. So if I multiply that over, I get a pound force second squared divided by a foot is what's going to give me a slug. And so let's see, we've got, here's my pound force. And this is 1 over second squared, so times second squared. And there's a foot. So we'll take that too. Put those three together and get a slug. And so just looking at the units, we're going to end up with slug per foot cubed. And now what we have is just to multiply that through, and we're going to get 2.65 slugs per foot cubed as our density. So now we can go and solve specific gravity. We don't really need to rewrite the equation at all because it's already in our form. So we have 2.65 slug per foot cubed is our density, and we have to look up what water at 4 degrees C is in the English system. It's 1.94 slugs per cubic foot, which is equivalent to 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter. Multiply that through, and we get 1.37 is our specific gravity of this jet fuel.